Okay, I'm getting a little nervous because the temperature is getting pretty hot. I woke up and the camper was dead this morning. I started driving because I already need to go south for an appointment in a couple days to get my backup camera installed. I'm going down to Medford, Oregon, and this is one of the only Best Buys that will install my backup camera. Snow is so thick this morning. It's 7. The sunrise should be coming on here soon. Woo, this town's cool in the Christmas time. This is like a proper adventure. I'm proud of my little truck because I'm still in 2-wheel drive. Oh, this is the part where I don't have any service, I don't think. The thing about the West Coast and Oregon specifically is so much of Oregon is still forest, and when it's snowy roads and you don't have cell service and you're going to be on the road for an hour and a half before you see the next town, it really feels like an adventure. The stakes are pretty high, you know? My mirror is saying that it's 22 degrees outside. Let's see what my watch says. My watch says that it's 18 degrees outside. So my assumption is it was just so cold that my furnace had to like do work all last night, and the combo of the cold killed my main battery. Okay, Klamath Falls south. That's where I need to go. I've got 2 hours of driving left. I've hit about an hour of driving. You know what's crazy is I don't even know where the road is. Y'all, this is trippy. There's so much snow on the ground that until right now you can see it this way, it is hard to see where the road is. Me and this semi were like driving in the same lane. I had no idea that that was his lane, and my lane is like full of snow. Damn. The snow is so thick. I'm still kind of amazed I'm doing 50, 45, 50 right now. Hey, Walmart truck. I think he's like all stressed out. He probably needs to put some chains on. He is stressed out. I see him being stressed. Okay, it's just me and the 18-wheelers. The 18-wheelers don't play. They got places to go. They got things to put in stores. Look how pretty it is out here. This is the sketch part of the drive. I've just been yakking away to the camera this morning. During this drive, I was really proud of myself because a couple years ago was my first experience driving in snow, and I put my Honda Element right in the ditch. So now that I am learning to feel my vehicle and notice when there starts to become less traction, I think that's really cool. I feel like a proper winter adventurer now. When you're in a wonderland like this, it's just hard not to be in awe the whole time. I mean, you kind of forget about it for a minute and you keep on driving, but it's astounding out here. It's beautiful. And look how deep this snow is. Wow. Okay, I'm getting a little nervous because the temperature is getting pretty hot. You see that? I guess it's not in the danger zone yet. Maybe that's normal. That's a lot of snow. That's not good. It's all good. We're gonna figure this out. Oh, it's crazy. After hours of focused driving, I finally started to be able to see the road again, and I was so happy. You don't really know how exhausting it is until you've had that experience, but when you're driving in the snow, you have to focus the whole time. I'm finishing up this video and I wanted to show you. So I've got this like wireless transmitter right here, and I've got one also in the front of my truck, and so it hits from the front of my truck to here, and it gives me my signal. And now I've got this little elegant backup camera. It's kind of dirty on the sides, but anyways, it's really nice. That new backup camera has been so nice because I had this other one that was not compatible with the new radio I just got installed, and this one doesn't have that external monitor that you might have saw in my old videos that just kept falling down. And when the Best Buy guy installed it, he was like, whoever did this wiring, like, this almost burnt down your truck. All these wires are burnt. And I was like, oh, that was me. I was really proud of myself at the time though, because I was like trying to do things on my own, you know. I have been traveling all over snowboarding, if you see my shorts, and I've been doing a lot more shorts to grow my channel. If you would please like and subscribe, that would help as well. Sorry about the lack of long form videos right now, but hey, it is what it is. I gotta do what I gotta do. Happy holidays. All right, bye guys.